how to use wide angle camera on iPhone. Now, if you want to use the wide angle camera on iPhone, first of all, you must make sure that hardware-wise, your iPhone has the wide angle camera. Normally, whenever you open the camera app, be it for videos or be it for photos, it just takes the picture or the video using the primary camera or the primary lens. And if you would like to switch it, maybe let's say to a wide angle camera, which means you want to get more frames into your picture or your video, it's fairly simple for us to do so. Over here you can see a couple of zoom icons and so on. Currently we are taking the picture or the video in 1x, which is the default settings for this. And if we want to utilize our wide angle camera, we have to switch to a value lower than that, which is 0.5x, as you can see right here. So when you switch to the 0.5x, both in terms of video and in terms of photo as well, we will be able to utilize our wide angle camera on iPhone. And it's a simple way on how we can utilize the wide angle camera on iPhone. I hope the video helped you out. If you have got any further questions, feel free to leave them down in the comments below. As always, thanks for watching till the end and see you soon in the next video.